So it's another glorious day in Alaska. Well, it's actually like 9:30 at night. But hey, it's solstice. The sun set like 6 hours ago. But I just want to do a quick video, show off some prints. So a user on Thingiverse made by Tomon204 made a skull hairpin, and then people just kind of ran with it, right? And somebody took a dragon skull mask by Sophie Art, also from Thingiverse. And sorry, bud, can't say your name on the internet because you got an inappropriate username on Thingiverse. I'm trying to keep my channels kid friendly, at least to some degree. And yeah, either case, here's some hairpins. Here's some hairpins. There's a dragon skull hairpin with a sword, and then supposedly it's called a cow skull hairpin. That's been redone, a remash done by Skate Camp. And then a heart skull hairpin remashed by Yoshio Doom. All these can be found on Thingiverse. And they let's see, what did I do? Honeycomb fill, 30%. I mean, these are going to be worn by pretty much every person I know with long hair. I'm going to give one for Christmas, so this video is not going to get uploaded until after Christmas. Congratulations. But either case, it's around that time where I fire up the printer and start printing. Well, I've been at it for a week now. Start printing Christmas presents, because why not? I got a printer. Why should I go out and buy really expensive cool stuff when I can just find things on Thingiverse or equivalence type pages and print them? I don't remember who designed it or whatever, but here's an urban mech. Trash can. So yeah. And then so that's that. And then once all things settle down for Christmas, I'm going to make those two idiots right there, aka my printers, start printing fishing stuff. What do I mean by fishing stuff? Bobbers, lures, tackle, terminal tackle, spinner blades, spinner parts of all different various shapes and sizes. But until then, Christmas. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, all that fun jazz. Alright, bye.